So today I want to show you how to work with the Google icons, the Google material icons in WeWeb. And so the first thing that I did was I went to GitHub and I found the material design icons. There's the variable font. I just chose the TTF of the outlined. There's also the rounded and sharp, which I'm sure would also work, but so I'm clicking this file here. I'm downloading it. As you can see, it's there. I'd already downloaded it. And then come over to your WeWeb project and go to fonts, add font, upload, icons, add font file. So now we're uploading it. We just add the normal. So we're saving it into our project. As you can see, it's saved as a font. Save. So we're just going to use this right here. This is a normal text field. We'll go over to Google. Let's just type in computer. So we're going to use this device hub. So scroll down, inserting with icon, click copy, go back to your project, highlight this, paste it in. It just says device hub right now, but go over to your font family, and instead of having the default, click on material design icons. You'll see it's now set up in there. So you can style it, change color. You can now use these Google icons in your project. So it's just stored in as a font family. Like if I were to turn it back to enter, it's just going to say device hub. So click back on font family, material design, and there it is.